Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I don't have a box here to say today is a short story, but that's because I'm future Jen. So welcome from the future. So I just wanted to say I filmed my short story box, which spoiler alert, I really love it. I filmed it a month and a half ago, I think. So I filmed it quite a while ago. So if anything seems not seasonal because it's for cooler weather, that is why. So don't come for them. Just wanted to say that. And okay, that's it. That's all I want to say. So enjoy the video. Hey guys, I am still on my phone camera, but I just couldn't wait to get my real camera back to open this up. So hopefully the video quality ends up okay. If not, I'm sure half of this video will end up on the regular camera. So please stick with me, please, because short story, my very favorite styling service is here. Here's why short story is my favorite styling service. One, it's for petites. I am petite. They send me stuff that's petite. They send me stuff that is extra small, and their stuff is affordable. So more like Stitch Fix prices, but even maybe a little bit better. I'd say more like maybe mix and match or Natalie Tire type prices. So I really like that. They send me stuff that fits. They sent me a measuring tape at one point so that I could send back more exact measurements and they could use those measurements when they're picking out pieces. Another reason why it's my favorite is because I tend to like everything they send me. I feel like it's more my style than many other style services. Just cute, simple pieces for me, nothing too weird or flashy or anything like that, which is my style. They know that. They send me stuff that's my style. So I feel like they do the best job of nailing what my style is. So that makes it wonderful. And then the owner is just so wonderful and supportive, and I'm really appreciative. I got a card in the mail and she was referencing my band and my first music video, and I felt really supported, and I just really love them. Okay, so guys, if you have not tried them, please try them. Okay, that's all I have to say, but I've got a lot of love for the service, so feel free to give them some love too. So, all right, let's go ahead. Let's dive right in and let's see what we've got. It's been a while since I've gotten a box, so that's part of it. It's like this elusive unicorn getting these boxes. I think they just, you know, their business is good and they just don't get boxes out super quickly. So if you do sign up, be patient, but it's worth it in my opinion. So here you go. They've got this sticker that says Stagely Petite on it, beautifully wrapped package. So I'm gonna just go straight to this because this is an exciting thing here. There's the beautifully wrapped bundle. Let's get into it. Here we go. Top piece. This is by Sanctuary, extra small petite. And it's this white blouse, but it's got a lot of like pretty crochet lace type pieces to it. That's very pretty. And it might have a little bit of a puff sleeve up here, which I dig. Okay, that is cute. I'm really excited to try this on and see how it fits. But I think that is cute. Okay, next up, I see something that's like it's a two-piecer. Okay, so we have, this is by Blank NYC. This is a kind of a faux suede jacket. Love the color of it. I absolutely love a blush color. Oh, this is probably staying with me. What size are you? It's extra small, but I've had some luck with the Blank NYC jackets actually fitting me. So really cute. Looks like it came with just this white cami, which I could always use more white camis. And this is by Nikki Bicky. And actually, I love this cami for the record because it's a shorter cami. And I've got a lot of white camis, but they're really long, and I just feel like I end up like tucking like a mile of it into my pants. So thanks for the cami. Okay, so love this. Absolutely love this. This is very Jen. This is cute. I love the color of it. If it fits, it shall stay. Then we have Cut by the Cloth. This is the Donna Ankle Skinny. And it is a dark wash and just with minimal distressing. Just a little bit there. And kind of a raw, looks like a reinforced raw hem. And I am excited to try these. I actually don't have any Cut by the Cloth, and I feel like if there's any box I buy it from, it'd probably be a short story. So I am optimistic about those. Super cute though. Loving everything so far. All right, then we have this heathered gray. Oh, this is cute. Oh, they sold me on this hood. Oh, they know I like to stay home and wear hoodies and be comfortable. Okay, so first of all, we've got this plush hood on here, plaid plush hood, which I absolutely love. That just completely sold me. And then just, you know, this super cute casual hoodie. Oh, I want to keep this. This is a good stay-at-home piece. This is by Ultra Flirt, extra small. Okay, super cute. And then last we have by Vero Moda. This is a dress and it is black and red and white. And I did sneak a peek at the note before the video. My deep apologies, but I could not wait. And it was the coolest thing. The stylist said that she sent me this because the band colors, which are black and red, are in this dress. And I think that's super, super cool. Also, she said she sized up in this because it will shrink in the wash. So I very, very much appreciate that. And pockets. Okay, super cute. I am excited to try all these pieces on. Again, love everything. But all right, let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I have 3 of the pieces on, and let's start at the top. The jacket, I feel like it fits great, particularly up in the shoulders, which is my biggest problem area when it comes to jackets. And I feel like it fits great. I love the color, the blush color of it. I think that's really pretty. Has a nice, simple waterfall to it. Here it is, 360. I've got the tank on with it that they sent with the jacket, and that layers well. Really cute. I'm really, really happy with this jacket, and most likely it'll end up staying with me. The pants I like. I love the coloring, the fading, the distressing. I like a lot. The fit just is not perfect. I have extra room up here. Now it is a 2 instead of a 0. But with the tightness of the ankle of the calves, I don't think I would want to size down in it. So I think I would stick with the 2, but it's a little bit loose, and I think I've heard with Cut by the Cloth is it kind of stretches as you wear it, and so I have a feeling that it would just be too loose and I'd be hiking these up a bit. But that being said, I'm still kind of on the fence because I don't have anything Cut by the Cloth, and I feel like it'd be cool to have some. And I do really like the looks of them, and worst case, I could always wear a belt. So, I don't know. I'm mixed on this one. What do you guys think of these pieces? All right, next top. Next up, we have the hoodie, and I really like the hoodie, and I've worn it already, so it's staying. So, it's got this cool Sherpa type lining hood. I actually wish that was throughout. That would make me super, super happy. But it fits really, really well. It's not oversized. It's a good at-home casual. Like I said, I've already worn this a couple of times, and I just opened this box a couple days ago. So I am finding use for it, and I just think it's a nice, cute, casual top. So winner in my book. All right, next top. Okay, next top, and I think these sleeves are a deal breaker for me. It's just kind of this puff sleeve that we've got going on here. It's not super puffy, but when I look at it, I'm just not loving it. I was thinking it was gonna be kind of like a slim up to a little bit of puff here. But I'm not loving that, and I wasn't sure whether to button this up the whole way or leave a few buttons unbuttoned. Here's like 3 buttons unbuttoned. I just don't think this particular top is my thing. Here's is in the back so you guys can kind of see the detail. It's got a lot of great details to it. I'll give it that. A lot of kind of lace crochet type stuff. So a lot of great details, but just not really my thing. So, all right, let's go to the dress. Okay, this dress is, I think it's super cute. It's a nice, casual, very, very lightweight, which is good. And like I said, I think it's super cute, super casual. I can't get past the fact that my stylist said that it was 62 Juliet colors with the red and the black. So I feel like that and alone is like, okay, I have to keep it. And as she said, this will shrink in the wash, but I think it already fits pretty well. I mean, I think it could use to shrink a little bit. I do have a little bit of extra fabric, but even if it didn't shrink, I think I'd be happy with this. So I think it's very, very cute. It's not too snug on my rump. Yeah, I like when things are not super snug there. So I really like this. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? Nice, casual, fun, throw on some white sneaks and go to the park, I don't know, type dress. So, all right, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. All right, so this is the Kelsey Ultra Cozy Lined Hoodie by Ultra Flirt 3603, as I mentioned in the try-on. I've worn it a couple times already, so obviously keep. Then we have the Petite Nautical Relaxed Pocket Dress by Vero Moda. This is 3638. I thought it was cute. It was very, very comfy and band colors, so it's staying. The suede drape jacket with the tank that they sent with it. This is by Blank NYC and it's $62.50. That is a decent price for a jacket, and I'm super happy that it's blush and it was a great fit, so that is staying with me. So far those 3 are keepers. What I don't think are keepers, this is the Petite Jasmine Detail Blouse by Sanctuary, and it is $48.47. They did mention that this is also 100% cotton like the nautical dress, so it would shrink in the wash, but I just don't think it's me, so I'm not going to keep that. Then we have the Petite Donna Ankle Skinny by Cut From The Cloth. They are $62.83, and I just felt like the waist area was not the perfect fit, and I didn't feel like sizing down is the right course of action. I don't know, I'm debating. Should I keep this? Should I size down? What do I do, guys? What do I do? So the total for the entire box is $246.21. So really, really happy with this box. Again, I reiterate, my favorite service out of all of them. Yay, Short Story. If you would like to try it for yourself, oh, this is box number 5. So there's a referral link there, but that's probably backwards. So there's a link below that you guys can use if you would like to try the box. So I highly, highly recommend it because, like I said, it's my favorite one as a petite person because they send me stuff that fits but is also affordable. So I love that. The end. Oh, and is my style. Okay, I'm done singing their praises. They're not paying me to say any of these things. I just really, really like them, and like that they're very supportive. Just really happy with them. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Really, really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then do so below. And don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post. All right, love you guys. See you in the next video.